In this video, we're going to look at 3 things you might need to be able to do after completing a Collaborate session. These 3 things are as follows: viewing and sharing the recording of the session, looking at the reports that show who attended and for how long, and thirdly, using that data in the attendance report. First of all, we're going to go along to the 3-dot menu where we always go down on the left-hand side for Blackboard Collaborate, and we will look at view all recordings. Students are also able to see this link. So this is where you can direct your students if you want them to be able to access all of this. And here we have 3 recordings. You can see the date that they were recorded, the duration, and who has access to it, which by default is always course members only. So it's you don't need to worry about privacy. If you click on the 3 dots on the right, you can watch now. You can also download it. Now, please note that students are not able to download it unless you have specifically said they can, but you can download it as an instructor if you want to put it into a video editor or do anything with it. Video settings allows you to rename it if you want to give it a specific name for the class, and you can also tick to give public access, which you're unlikely to want to do, but if you do have a need to do that, that's where you do it. Copy link. If you do that, you're able to copy that link and you're able to put that somewhere within your course. The permissions will stay the same. So if it's public, it will be a public link. If it's course members only, they'll have to be logged in order to see it. But if you want to have this video embedded somewhere specific within the course, you can do that. Add caption source. You're unlikely to be doing that for closed captions if you have a way of providing those. And the final thing, of course, is delete. If you don't want that video there at all, you can delete it. Of course, you could download it first and then delete it. We're going to close that and now go back to the 3-dot menu and go to Manage All Sessions. Just one thing to note: manage all sessions, view room report, and edit course room settings basically go to the same page. So it opens up a list of sessions, and then through the menu you can do the different options. Now, one thing that will often confuse people is they may not be able to see when they open this the previous meetings. That's because it's filtered by all upcoming sessions. So if you want to see the ones that have already happened, you need to go to all previous sessions. And from here, you can see the study skills is a recurring one. So that opens like a folder. And we also have study skills B, and we have a single one there. And from here, we can view report. And then we have to click view report again. And we can see the 4 people that attended. We can see when they first joined and when they last left, the total time they were in that session, and the number of joins. So if they keep on leaving and coming back, it's going to show you that, as well as the total time gives you an indication of how much they were actually there for. Over on the left, you can print and you can export to CSV, which can be opened in Excel if you want to use that for any analysis. I'm going to close that because we also have down here attendance. Now, if you remember, when we created this session, we on the attendance tab said that we wanted attendance data to be posted. So if we look here and we go to the previous day when this session happened, and we see for study skills B, we see present, late, and absent. And this is based on the thresholds we set up for full present being ticked, or late, or this person did actually attend, but they were more than the threshold in terms of lateness, so it was marked as absent. Now, as I said before, please consult people within your college before using this feature, because you need to ensure that it's all as per the attendance policy of the individual college and that the data is ending up in the correct place.